So over here, you can see that I have this laptop. So if I were to actually go ahead right here and access this laptop out right here, this is what I have. So you can see that connection is in progress right here. And then I have access to the computer right here. So if I were to go around over here onto actions right here, or if I were to go around over here onto the display, you can see that certain settings are in place, like you can see the work mode, view mode, and so forth. But even before that, if you want to change the default display setting, you can actually go around over here onto the hamburger icon and then go to setting right here. And then you can go around over here onto display, and here you can choose the quality that you want to stream with. For example, you can choose best quality or best performance. Let's say, for example, you can hide the remote cursor right here, follow the remote cursor as you can see, and even change out the view mode like to original, shrink, or stretch right here. And even go ahead and start new sessions in full screen mode as well, and choose what type of hardware acceleration that you want as well. For example, you can go for OpenGL or Direct 3D or Direct Draw as you want right here, whatever suits your graphic card. You can also use 16-bit renderer, but as it mentions right here, it does decrease the image quality, although the rendering will be faster. Apart from that, you can see you can remember the individual settings or set it to default as you like as well. So that is how you can go ahead and then work around with the session display setting inside of AnyDesk. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.